allowed you. He could be the potential customers of your product, of your brand. Are you getting what I'm saying? And they are using RPA, robotic processing automation. So those robots will process automatically. And they will use, this is one segment. In second segment, these customers have similar type of characteristics because they have the information of all the customers. They have access to all the data which is there available on internet. That's why whatever question, whatever problem you are giving to AI, it will give you the solution. Are you getting what I'm saying? And it's performing like human intelligence. Right? It has access to all the data. It has access to all the data. And it has access to your data. Somewhere you are registered on internet. You have given your details. Right? So it will take those details, it will give you this segment is having similar type of characteristics or attributes. Another segment having different attributes. You can have a different marketing strategy for these segments. Okay? Next slide. Okay, evolution of AI. I'm sure you are able to just idea about what AI is and how it has evolved. Right, first we have AI ML, artificial intelligence machine learning. Right? So from I-4, so initially there was not clarity about the artificial intelligence machine learning. Then breakthrough was provided by Netflix prize. They first used this machine learning, right, in their business system, right? And still doubt was there that who could be the innovator, who will first to use this. And that Netflix did, they used AI in their business first. So that was the trial phase of AI and machine learning when it was the first trial. Then shift to augmented intelligence, what I told you. Now some intelligence, some power was given to this machine, right? To take decision. To give, will give a problem and it will give some solution. Right? So that we call as augmented. Right? We have given additional role, we have given additional memory, we have given additional intelligence, addition power to the machine. Right? To take a decision. That I told you we had lens card, we have Snapchat, right? A digital object they identify. Then after that, save zone for AI decision making. Now AI was used in decision making. So in this phase, shift to augmented reality, there it was used to facilitate the decision making. AI was one of the critical factors in making the decisions. Solely you cannot take decision on the basis of AI. Marketing decisions I'm talking about. Right? Somehow this was one of the critical factors which you will use for taking marketing decisions. Then shift started where you have used AI to take decisions. I told you if you want to develop a content, if you want to develop an advertising content, advertising campaign content, you ask AI, AI will give you whole content. In which form you want content? In audio, visual, you want poster, what else content you want it to give you. Are you getting what I'm saying? Right? So all content it will give you. Then it was used for decision making. Then right now we have a hybrid approach where over-reliance on AI is not good. Completely we should not rely on the decisions, on the solutions which AI will give. Right? So first you use AI in decision making, then you use your own creativity, your own intelligence, whether it can be applicable. It will give you solution on the basis of what you want. Right? So first you should have an expertise to deal with AI. What information I want from AI. Right? Then accordingly it will give you the information. If you don't have an expertise, how I deal with AI, how it will give you the information, what information I want from AI, then information you will get, but that information will not be reliable. You cannot use it for decision making. So AI you use, but with that you use your own head, your own brain. Okay? Got it? Okay, next. So this I will discuss with you, from hype to market. I was before early 2000, then let's click the students now, early adopters. Then I told you this also, fine. So then the same rule is where we are using this cloud reputation media of any business is fine. Then finally we have a hybrid, right, where we are using our intelligence as well as the artificial intelligence. Now, what are the benefits of leveraging AI in marketing? What it will do in marketing? Fine. Saves time. Fine. That's understood. You can perform tasks very quickly if you are using AI. Fine. Then better customer experience, AI makes ads more relevant. Why you are asking AI to develop an ad, to develop a poster for me, so that it will be more relevant to the customer. You have access to all the information of the customer, fine. It will take the information from the customer, fine. It has already that information, and it will give you the relevant ad. It will give the relevant design. Fine. It will give the relevant things that you need to promote in your ad. Fine. Then approach decision makes. Fine. Decision makes regarding a customer, what customer wants, it will help you with that. What I need to have in a product, how a new product will be developed, fine. It will help you with that. What is the trend in the market? Fine. It will give you the decision according to that. It will give you the solution according to that. Fine. Then increase sales, they are recommends for right products. It increase the sales. A right customer, a right product. Based on the previous or the past learning. What products you have built on Amazon, what products you have bought on Amazon, fine. Again, if you want to do any shopping in future, it will give you a notification that this product is there. Previously you have bought this product. This is your choice, this is your preference, this may be your need. Fine, so sales will increase, right? Customer for right product. Fine. Then we call it personalized marketing, affiliate marketing, email marketing. You are getting highly personalized mails that are only for you. Those products are only for you. They will make a special offer for you only. Right? So AI can automate tasks like sending mails and answering questions. Answering questions through AI system. Whatever question you ask, they will give you the response. They will give you the solution. Right? For example, you want to have a data pack. Your data pack of your phone, smartphone is exhausted. Now you want to have a new data pack. You will interact with the AI system. You please tell me what data packs are available there. Right? So it will give you all the data packs. This is available there. Now out of those, which one is good for me? That will give you. Now you match to my profile. Fine. Is there any special offer for me? Check my profile. Then it will check your profile. Here it will see, yeah, this plan, if you will take, there is a special offer for you. You will get this much of discount. So it's machine doing. Human is not there. Right? So machine is taking everything. Then it will give you that offer and you can recharge your phone there on the AI. Right? Okay, next. This week you see the 4 P's product, price, place, promotion. Right now we have 7 P's of services marketing. Process, people and physical evidence. Now, what evidence it does to the product, price and place and promotion. Right? Now first one is product. Initially I told you, marketing is product management. Okay, na? What it has done to the product management? New product development. Someone told marketing is about developing a new product. The new product development is one of the concept in marketing. Right? So there are 8 steps in new product development. Idea generation, idea screening, concept development and testing, market strategy development, business analysis, product development, product testing, market testing, then the commercializing. Right? So all those 4 steps, AI will help you how you will launch a new product. First, idea generation, idea about new product. What you need to do? You need to ask customer what product you want. AI is having access to all the customers. AI is having all the data of the customers. So what the customer wants, it will tell you. This is a new need there in the customer. Customer wants a product for this new. You try to develop, launch, create a new product like this. Right? Then idea screening. Now these are the different ideas. Out of those, best one you select. Cost benefit analysis, how much money you require, how much investment you require, how much cost you require in developing a product, fine, and how much return you will get, fine, how much potential is there in the market for this product, AI will give you a detailed information about that. Which idea, what are the project goals with this idea, second idea, what are the project goals with this idea. Even it will help you in concept development. Concept is basically a hypothetical product. Example of a product, not an actual product. Right? It's very well, it's very expert in doing that. We will develop you a hypothetical product for you. This is the concept of the product. Right? Then that test concept you can test. Data again you can take from ChatGPT as the customers on which you can test that concept. Right? Then market analysis, market strategy development, and I told you what strategy you have to develop on that product. From those concepts, what concept you have chosen, right? So this will help you in analyzing those concepts. And one you will select, then you will create a marketing strategy. And you will analyze your existing business. How much resources are required if you will develop or create that product. If you will launch that product. Right? Do you have the resources? Do you have the infrastructure? Do you have the manpower to develop that product, to create that product? And what additional resources do you require to create that business analysis? If you are getting good results, you will launch the product with. In all those 6 steps, we are going to help. Okay? Then, hyper-personalization. Hyper-personalization means it will take the offer a product highly personal to that particular. Highly personal means what customer wants, accordingly the product will be there. What price is ready to pay, what features he wants in the product, at what time he wants the product, fine. Where he will buy the product, fine. So through AI you are targeting one single customer, one-to-one marketing. That's called hyper-personalization. Right? So one-to-one marketing because it has data of all the customers. What the particular customer wants, it will try to approach that customer with a unique offer. This is an offer particularly for you. See, if an ad is developed by a company, right, and they give that ad in newspaper. That ad is not for one single customer. Whoever will see that it is targeting all those customers. It is not personal. You are selecting a TV commercial, you are giving there the ad of a company. So whoever will view the TV, whoever will see that channel, they will see that. It's not personal. It is not something for you only. Right? Through AI, you can create that you only, that wow factor. This is something for you only. There is 50% discount only for you, not for other customers. And for this particular product. Because so many times you have viewed that product on Amazon page, but something is compelling you not to buy. What is that? Maybe price you are checking, he will give you the discount. Will give you the discount on price you buy that product. Are you getting what I am saying? Right? Then, automatic recommendations. Based on your past history, they will recommend a product. What products you have bought in the past, what products you have viewed on the past, they will recommend similar type of products to you. Then creating additional value. Value, in marketing definition I told you, creating, communicating and delivering value. What is value? No, value. Okay, what's value? Value is basically, all of you, value is basically the ratio of benefits offered by the company through that product divided by the cost. Value is benefit of a product divided by cost. Benefits are offered by company to you. They will provide you the reason why you should buy the product. These are the benefits. This is the feature of a product. This is the quality we have in our product. Okay? Fine? Then, for all that, customer will pay cost. Cost will be in the form of price. Cost will be in the form of price. But company says, that we will offer you more value than the cost you are paying. No, new customer pays only cost of a product. New customer pays only cost of a product. What else he pays? Huh? You buy product. You buy product. What you pay to buy a product? Huh? That is part of this price cost. What else you pay? In addition to the money, the price of a product, what else you pay? When you are buying a product? Huh? No. Product you have bought. Right? For that product, you are paying price. Anything else you are paying? X is there, it's product. What is that? He's saying research about product. What is that? Huh? When you are buying a product, feedback is later when you will use the product. Okay, let me put it like this. Before buying the product, what do you do? Before buying a product, what do you do? What is that called? Say, before buying a product, you are spending some time. Even if you will identify a product, this product I have to buy, fine. Then you will go to that showroom, find why the product is available at a retail outlet, and you go there. Some time you are spending. In addition to the cost, monetary cost, you have time cost. Okay, time. Then efforts also. Okay, now physically you are going there, right? You are buying a product online, right? Some efforts, your mental effort. So one physical effort, another mental effort. You are using your brain also. Reviews, reading reviews, right? So something is going there in your brain, you are processing all that information, then you are taking a decision, now I have to buy this product. So physical effort is involved, mental effort is involved, as well as time is involved. Do all they have value? These three have value. I am speaking in front of you. I am putting efforts. I will be paid for this. Are you getting what I am saying? So efforts which I am making here, I am being paid for this. Means the physical efforts you are making for buying a product, it has value. Time I am spending, you are also spending time on buying a product, which again has value. Time is value. Time is very, very important. Time doesn't wait for anything. Okay? Mental effort. Again, you are using your brain. Your brain functions. Your brain wants ATP. Right? That ATP you are taking from the food. Right? So again, that is basically the cost. So not only you are paying a monetary cost, but you are paying time cost, effort cost, and mental cost. Are you getting what I am saying? Then finally you are buying a product. Now what company should offer you? For only the cost you are paid, for all the cost of mental, time and effort cost they should pay you. So they are creating a more value in their product. So here they can create additional value. So we will not only pay for the price of the product which the customer is paying, but we will also pay for all the efforts it takes to buy our product. So they are very much concerned about that. We will not deliver only the price, the cost of the product, but we will pay more than that. Are you getting what I am saying? We have some premium products. What are premium products? You want more, you have to pay more. Price will be more. Premium product is basically that product. Some additional will be there. For that you have to pay. They say if you are ready to pay more, we'll offer you more. That's value basically. They are giving you additional value. Now through this AI, you can create more value for a customer. Customer should feel that the product I have bought, fine, it has come to my expectations. My expectation is not the price, return to the price. My expectation is return to all the efforts, all the time I have spent. The product is not up to our expectations. What do you say? I have wasted my effort, I have wasted my time. This product is not worth. Are you getting me? So that we say is a value. Value is a value for cost. The difference of a product divided by cost. Not only monetary cost but all the cost. So through here you can create that additional value for customer. Fine. Then additional solutions beyond product category. You are creating solutions beyond that particular category. Fine. In this product category only this will offer. But as I told you, highly personalized message, highly personalized offers, you are creating fine. You are giving more than what you are supposed to give under that particular product category. Then we have price, fine. Dynamic pricing. As I told you, price will match with the customer. Automatically discount will come. This customer is having less income, he cannot buy this product, his purchasing power is less, will discount the product, will reduce the price of a product. Fine, he will be ready to pay. So automatically AI will do pricing. It will see the income, it will see the preferences, and finally it will do dynamic pricing. Different price for you, different price for others. Right? Then promotions, creating unique experience. Through promotions, you are creating a unique experience. All about what customer wants. Fine. So that advertising campaign, you will create that type of content, that type of message for a customer. Personalized communications, one-to-one communication with the customer, what you want, feedback take from the customer, you communicate with him, you use this feedback, you revise your product, you update your product. Fine. You heard about Microsoft, this operating system. First we had XP, then Vista, then Windows 7, Windows 10, Windows 11. Why there was a need for Microsoft to come with the new versions of this operating system? Right? Right? Because customer interacted with the operating system. Right? He gave some feedback. Right? Then the company incorporated that they come up with a new version with additional features. So all they are doing on the basis of the feedback of the customer. So they keep on updating their software. Even apps you have in your phone, you are getting regular updates. Right? In those updates, additional features are offered. So all those features will come on the basis of the feedback. Customer will give feedback, they will incorporate that feedback, they will update the product. They will come up with new versions of the product. Are you getting me? Right? Then creating a wow factor to an offer. A specific offer for a specific customer, have a discount you are giving. Customer will be wow, this is for me only. Fine. Then elimination of the process of learning product category that I told you. Fine. The positive impact on customer and minimize disappointment. You want to have a positive impact on the mind of the customer. You should have a positive impression, long-lasting impression. Right? All this you can do when you know your customer very well. When you know what is this requirement, what is this need, what is this want, right? What product we are offering, whether our product is able to satisfy that. Right? So not only you will satisfy the need of a customer, but you will make a customer delight more than satisfied. Right? So AI will do that for you. Right? So by that you can minimize the disappointment. Right? Then we have place, convenient shopping at one place you can buy, don't need to go. Then faster and simpler sales processes. Right? Then 24/7 customer service chatbot is available there. You can use that Alexa, you can use Siri, you can use. Right? All those you can use. Right? Then the purchase automation. Purchasing it will make easy for you. Then consult, service-free shops, consult list, customer support, new distribution channels, merchandise automation. This merchandise automation most people use retail outlet like Life Smart is there, K.B.N is there, right? So what space you need to use the product or service, right? So again, this slide will help you with doing that. Which product in which helps you on this, right? Okay, next. Now these are the key statistics about the AI which is right now being used. 61.4% of marketers have used AI in their promotional tasks, mostly for promotions they use AI. 44% of marketers use AI for content generation, they generate a content. The AI platform tool most often used by marketers Yes, Maria. After that, ChatGPT. What is the most preferred for creating a marketing content? Now, these are basically the more major ways AI will impact the future of the marketing. We have first enhanced personalization, already I told you, highly personalized product offers they will create. Then predictive analysis based on the past experience, past shopping. They have their data, on the basis of that data, they will make a prediction about the future. They will give those offers, they will give notifications, these are the products for you, on the basis of the past data. Then automated content creation, automatically we will create a content, right? So you give a command that you create this poster copy, you create this ad campaign copy, it will give you all that. Right, in one command. Then improve customer insights. More they will tell you about the customer, what customer wants. Right? So you take the feedback from the customer, right, on the basis of your interaction, then they will give you better customer insights. Then enhance customer services. Right? Service centers will have first machine will come here, then another human will come here. Right? Then voice search optimization is very, very important. Almost everywhere. Imagine if you have search a word, you speak, it will identify your voice. Right? In addition to that, right now they will identify an image. Tell them show the image on camera. So it will identify that image, it will search. Right? A similar type of one. Okay, these are Alexa, Siri, Google now, Cortana, we use this. Right? Okay, next. So these are some of the statistics about AI, why it is most preferred for content creation, mostly used cross individual developer. Then the content creation, copywriting, these are used to find. That's why AI is used for AI blogs, then social media content, ChatGPT AI for content, chatbots, and customer interactions. AI market for sales and copywriting, fine. Ways why for search engine optimization and content optimization. Search engine optimization. Search engine optimization is a digital marketing concept. Your website should be the preferred website when you are searching it any search engine. For example, Google search engine we have, right? So you have to optimize search engine in such a way the website of your company should display. Amazon should display. If you search, right? So they are in search engine, number of web pages will open. But which one will be most preferred for that optimization you are doing? You have to identify those keywords, those that content which is there available on your web page, right? Then you have to do Google, and Google will try to push your website above in the search list. Right? Let me call it search engine optimization. Okay, then we have social media and automation. Who choose insights? They are AI powered social media monitoring and scheduling. They are using social media. Then AI has repurposes long form content in social media. Right? Then we have bandwidth, which we also use. Then customer engagement and chatbots, Drift we use, Intercom we use, and we use live person. Right? So all these we are mostly using in social media when you are interacting with others. Content you are liking, content you are giving, content you are sharing, content you are committing, right? It will track all that, right? So on the basis of that, you will see which is the most preferred content. Content marketing, the content you are posting on any social media page. If more people will like, more people will subscribe, you will get money, right? And we call as content marketing. And here also you will use those AI powered software. Now steps to use AI in the marketing initiatives. First you will analyze, look at the current marketing strategies, how you will use AI, right? As I told you, expertise is required for that, how you will interact with the AI, what information you want to take from AI, right? So first, what are the current marketing strategies that you will see, then identify where AI can happen. As I told you, over-reliance on AI is not good. So what strategy you have, and where you can take the help of that. Don't take everything from AI or ChatGPT. You will select the right AI tool. Which one you have to use? Jasper you have to use, ChatGPT you have to use, Gemini you have to use, or any other tool, then implement and train, use AI and improve its overtime. You are interacting with AI will learn more about you, and it will give you more relevant information if it knows more about you. Are you getting me? Now here example is there, if you are having an online cloth store, fine. AI will bring customer preference and improve sales. What customer will prefer, according to that it will improve the sales. Now in e-commerce, how we can apply AI? Right? So personalization, tailored products recommendation, right? Trusted recommendation, answer this of past data, past information, past purchases, it will give you highly personalized those notifications. Then chatbots, real-time customer service, it will provide, they are there available, fine. Then inventory management, it will predict that which product is out of stock and which you need to replenish in your inventory, right? Then search optimization, nothing to you, enhance the product search. Your website, your company should be the preferred one. It should come higher in the search history. Then dynamic pricing, adjust prices already I told you, it will change the prices according to the customer's needs. Fine. Then fraud detection, detect and prevents fraudulent activities. It will give you a notification that it says spam, this is a virus, don't forward. It will identify those fraudulent practices as well. Marketing automation, automates email campaigns and ads. This also it can do. Okay, next. First. Now here how in banking and finance we can use AI. Right? So detect frauds and protects money. It will detect frauds. Right? Then helps AI in loan approvals and financial decisions. For approving a loan, the bank will see the credit history, credit score, right? Credit worthiness of a customer. On the basis of that, they will approve the loan. Now it has dealt with the bank in past. If it has taken any advance, any loan, fine. So whether he was able to repay that loan or not. Right? So AI will do that part. It will give that score to the customers. Then bank will decide on the basis of that whether they want to give loan or sanction loan to this particular individual or business. Right? Then in hospitality and travel, how we use AI. AI says a place to visit based on the purpose. Which place you should visit? Right? Which destination you should visit? What are your preferences? Which things you like? According to that, they will give you. Hotel bookings also they will give you. And they will give you customer service faster. Right? For example, booking.com use AI to recommend hotels based on past. In which states hotels you have stayed in past, according to that you will get the notification. Now in retail, how we can use failure recommendations as I told you. We can get failure recommendations, then customer insight data with targeting. Right? We have data of customers, we will get the insights from customers, what they want. Then dynamic pricing, again here we can use, then chatbots and assistants, right? Voice assistants we can use, then inventory management here we can also use, then visual search, similarly an image you will have a post and it will identify that image, it will give you the product list. Then sentimental analysis we use in social media. When you are liking, when you are disliking, when you are commenting, when you are willing, when you are sharing with others. Because these are the sentiments, their analysis. The content, you have how much engaging that content is. If you are sharing that content, it's very much engaging. Something is there which is compelling you to share with others. You want that others should also do. Right? So that analysis also AI will do. Then target advertising for site and targeting. Which customer you need to target, it will identify those customers as well. Now this is the journey of a customer using AI. Right? Customer journey. First, basically this buying process. Right? It starts from information search and post-purchase evaluation is the last one. Right? So in that customer journey, how customer will go first again as AI will personalize ads. Then he will have consideration, tailored product recommendations. They will use recommendation. Out of those recommendations, they will consider the decision, AI assistant purchase guidelines. It will use the assistance how you have purchased. Out of those recommendations, which one you want to buy and how you have to buy, that assistance also AI will give. Then purchase seamless AI power checkout. You are putting the product in the cart, right? Then you are done. Right? Then it will also. But post-purchase personalized follow-ups and support. If there is any problem with the product you have bought, how you can approach the service center, how you can interact with the service center, that also AI is going to provide you. Then loyalty and retention, the complaint you have made, the issue you have with the product, if the company or the service assistant are able to solve that issue, so you will become a lawyer, you will be retained towards, you will be more belongingness will develop towards that company. Because you had a complaint, you are able to solve that complaint. Okay? Next. Now here across different channels, here websites, these all you will use for promotion purpose. Right? Then email you are using, then social media using, mobile apps we have, in stores we have, customer support, advertising, voice systems. All right now are using here. Right? Next. So this is very, very important. Nobody here talked about AI, but what about the privacy of the customer data? I told you they have access of all the customer data, all the decisions, whether it's sentimental analysis, whether they are giving you an ad campaign, they are identifying this is your target customer, but what about your data you have shared with internet, which is there available on the internet. Right? So that is a challenge, that what will happen to the privacy of the customer information, then quality. Quality of the data they are using for analysis, predictive analysis. Whether you will rely on that data, whether that data is correct data. Ultimately, you have to take a decision, you have to check that. Then integration. As I told you, they are integrating all the data systems and finally they are giving you the right? Then we have bias. What AI will say and what you will say. Whether your decision is correct or your decision. That's why we have now hybrid AI, where you are asking for AI, then you are checking whether this is correct. There should not be a bias. Right? Then skill, expertise, how you will use AI. People should be trained about using AI, what information they want from AI. And over-reliance on automation. What happens to the creativity of the students and the people who are using AI? Right? Sometimes the student has to write an application. You will ask ChatGPT to please write the application. Our research scholars, they have to develop some model or a questionnaire or something. They'll ask ChatGPT. Without reading a research paper, they'll ask ChatGPT will do. ChatGPT will do. But where from ChatGPT has got that? Scholar does. Are you getting what I'm saying? So creativity, what will happen to your creativity? That's a question mark. Right? Okay, next. So this already discussed privacy, then data quality, right? Accuracy and concurrency of data, then integration with existing system, AI bias, I told you, right? Regular audit should be there about this. Then lack of skilled professionals, then poor reliance on data. Then we have ethical considerations. These are the ethical considerations. Privacy, as I told you, what will happen to the customer data. Then the transparency, customers should know how we are going. Right? And fairness, AI should not be biased. And you need to audit the AI. What information they are giving. So I have to focus on privacy by ensuring AI does not store personal data. That's why most people are using algorithms. And one feature they are saying that secured. It's highly secure. That's why I am buying here for online for 70,000. Okay. So conclusion finally. AI is changing marketing and marketing is getting better. Everybody in business should use AI wisely to good trust. Right? Right? So you are not supposed to use AI. Then AI is future in marketing exciting and full of opportunity. Google, Amazon, Netflix use AI to improve customer experience completely. Solely don't rely on the information which AI is giving. Verify, authenticate, then date. Okay. Now, questions. One by one. All of you have to ask me questions. Okay. Any question? Please ask me question. Girls, any question here? Please. Telugu I don't know. I cannot ask you anything in Telugu. Fine? So please pardon me. Yes, any question? Yes, you. Ask me question. Anything you have understood? You have understood what I told? Understood? Huh? You? Any question? Is AI good or bad? If you are using it rightly, then it is good. But if you are using it without knowing what it is, then it is bad for you. Please.
How AI is helpful startups?
How AI will help in startups? Okay, very nice. Please. Doctor. Very right question he has asked. How AI will help in startups? Basically at VIAP, we have tie-up with one organization called Vadhwani Foundation. Basically it's a platform for new budding entrepreneurs. How they will start their startup. And I'm also teaching entrepreneurship at VIAP. Right? And what we are teaching is according to their curriculum. They have said that these are the modules you have to teach. These are the milestones which the student has to go through. Right? Then they will develop the startup and they have to register there on their website the startup. They will be evaluating their startups, will also evaluate their startup. And whenever they give lecture, people from Advani, they straight away ask students use AI. For example, here we start, a startup starts from an idea. Okay, na? Startup will start from an idea. Advani has developed a database where they have information about all the different sectors. What are the current trends in those different sectors? What is the requirement? What is the opportunity? Why you can start a startup, where you can think about a business idea. So all the information is available here. You can have videos there, you can see the data, you can search whatever information, you can identify in the sector in which you want to have a startup. All the information is available there. Right? So from there, you will get an idea that what basically is the area, is the sector where in which I have to start my business. Right? Then what type of business you want to start? Again, I told you, for that you have to identify the problem of the customer. Startup should always start with the problem of the customer, not what you are thinking, what customer thinks. Okay? So AI, as I told you, it will provide you the insights of a customer. What is the trend there? What is the tendency there? What customers think? How the tendencies are changing? How the trends are changing? So all that idea it will give you. So for that purpose, you can use AI, right? To get an idea about the problem with the customer is facing. Then you can build your business on that problem of the customer. Now, what is your business? What is your startup? How I can solve the problem of the customer. Right? So idea is how I can solve. I used to give one problem to the students in my class that you have to make a wallet which is always there in your pocket for your friend. Your friend is sitting to your left. You take one page of paper and start making a wallet. And your friend who is stick to your left, should buy that wallet. You have to convince him to buy the wallet. So when I give this assignment, what students will do, they will start making wallet from that piece of paper. They will keep a pocket for coins, they will keep a pocket for cards, debit cards, credit cards, this is a hard cash, these are the, everything they will do. But finally I will ask them, for whom you have developed the wallet? Sir, for my friend. Where is your friend? He was left. Have you asked him what type of wallet you want? Oh, sir. But they apply all the creativity on that one. Right? So first you need to understand the customer. And you need to understand what are the needs of the customer. And what customer will need for the product, for the solution you are. So in startups, this is very, very right. But overanalyze, always I told you, when you have to conduct a market survey, go and talk to the customer. Right? See what he will say, see what is his problem, how you can address the problem of the customer. Information area you can identify on the basis of ChatGPT or on the basis of AI, but then again you need to contact, you need to interact with the customer. Fine. When you talk to the customer, you need to ask them what basically problem you are facing and how I can solve it. Okay? Any other question? Please. Yes. Yes, madam. Yeah, I didn't know that. Whether ChatGPT is good or bad. Whether ChatGPT is good or bad. It depends on how much expertise you have. Right? In using ChatGPT or in using AI. So it is both as well as great. But over-reliance on ChatGPT is not good. The thing which you can follow yourself, the thing which you can follow yourself, where you can use your own creativity, use it. Fine. The thing which you cannot solve a difficult problem, take the help from ChatGPT. But verify what answer ChatGPT will give. Then implement that. Okay? Any other question? Yes, of course. You interact with ChatGPT. See, I'll tell you one very, very important thing. I told it identifies voice. It identifies language. If I will keep the data of my own arm, and I am talking to my friend, for example, Mahesh, about a particular brand, I am talking to my friend. My phone identifies voice, the conversation. Then when I open my phone, that will come about their product. Okay, data is on. Right? So all the apps you have in your phone, they are using that. They are listening to your voice. And they, marketers, will give you the notification about the product. Because you are talking about this. You would have seen. Right? So it all depends how you will use it for those problems which are difficult, which you cannot solve. Those problems which you can solve, you can do it. Don't ask it. Okay? Any other question? Any other question? Fine? Okay, thank you.
If you have any doubts on the given topic, you can ask our resource person. No more doubts? Okay. Okay, fine. So let us conclude this particular session with a formal note of thanks. And before that, I want to thank today's resource person, Dr. Suhail Ahmad Bhatt sir. Sir, thanks for coming to K.B.N College. Thanks for accepting your invitation and thanks for your overall time spent here today of about 2 hours. And thanks for your experienced, elaborated, knowledgeable guest lecture on the given topic, the role of artificial intelligence in marketing. So you people have witnessed various concepts, various topics on this marketing area, and you have seen the 4 Ps and how 4 Ps have changed in the artificial intelligence era. right? And if you have also seen what are all the other websites which are available, who is helping out for artificial intelligence in the specialization of marketing. So I am very thrilled to listen to this lecture. Actually, I was busy in some other works, that's why I didn't gone through the overall lecture. But I have seen and I have pinpointed some areas which our resource person has touched on the marketing related areas. That was awesome. That was brilliant, and that is very knowledgeable. And so with all these few words, I think all the BBA students, I think you people have got enough knowledge about marketing and how artificial intelligence is playing its role in the specialization like marketing. So in the coming days, we are going to plan the other specializations also. See, artificial intelligence is now everywhere. Everywhere AI is working. Everywhere AI becomes everything for every specialization. Right, in the business analytics also we see AI is working on, even in the human resources also AI is working. So lots of operations are going on using AI in the organizations nowadays. And even the future, in the coming next 20, 25 or 30 years, AI is going to be the key factor to decide the business's future. So with all these few words, I want to conclude this session. So I thank each and everyone who took efforts to make this particular event to be this successful into this successful way. And I am thankful to our secretary and correspondent, sir, Dr. T. Srinivas Garu, who stood backward, who is the backbone for conducting these kind of events. And I am also thankful to our principal madam, Dr. G. Krishnaveni Garu, and even our two vice principals, Dr. M. Venkateswara Garu and Sri P. L. Ramesh Garu. And even I am also, my heartfelt thanks to our dynamic administrative officer, Dr. V. Narendra Rao Garu. And I am also thankful to the faculty from the Department of Commerce and Management for organizing these kind of events and for your endless motivation and support to conduct these kind of events to the students. And I want to thank myself to motivate to conduct these kind of events. And last but not least, I am very thankful to the people who came all the way from WIT University, Andhra Pradesh. Today's beloved resource person. Actually, he is so friendly and he is very energetic, and he is coming all the way to you, and he is discussing on the topic with you personally. So this kind of quality I didn't see from any one of the resource persons who have visited our college as of now. So that was the uniqueness of our today's resource person. I am very honored to take today's resource person today into the K.B.N college premises. And sir, thank you for joining us. And Mahesh Babu is also a very good friend of mine. Actually, 1 week back I saw my Parisham here with University. So he's so friendly, he's very close. And 1 week lone chala close ayipindi sir tho. Right? Sir, I am thankful to you for suggesting today's resource person. And last but not least, my dear young future managers. So you know the future managers. So you are all going to get really collaborated to use this artificial intelligence if you select your specialization as marketing. So thank you, and thank you for joining into this guest lecture. And I thank each and everyone, teaching and non-teaching staff members. And I am thankful to my Commerce and Management Department staff members also who stood backward to make this event more successful. And I expect and hope the same thing will happen in the future coming days. And I thank print and electronic media. I thank the non-teaching staff members. I thank the Department of Computers, head of the department, who has provided us this kind of computer technical support. And I am also thankful to the Physics and Electronics department for arranging audio-visual aids to conduct this particular session. So with this, I am closing this session. So formally it is being closed, and before leaving this hall, I want to listen a few words from Mahesh Babu garu. Please,
I request all of you, please keep your mobiles inside first. I want to say a few things about my course here. Actually, we are waiting number of hours for his lectures in university actually. But you people are very lucky. Today he spent lots of time to empower you in different aspects, especially in marketing and AI role in marketing. Like, so I observe from your end, most of the people are distracted. Most of the people are distracted. The person is came here to empower you in the conceptually and technically and different aspects. First you need to concentration on that. This is for you. You are the young generation. You are the backbone of the countries. The people coming from nook and corner around the India, he is the top of the India. In the sense, he is coming from Jammu Kashmir. We are eagerly waiting for these classes actually in university. Today he is here. He is ready to empower you. He could give a lot of insights to you related to the marketing. So in next time onwards, if any guest lecture is come, you try to dedicate yourself to grab the knowledge from each and every point what they deliver. That is very, very important for the students. There are the three powerful places in the world. One is mother home, second one is an educational institution, next one is your workstation. Do you know what dialogue? Famous dialogue? Powerful people made by the powerful places. He is the powerful person made by the powerful place, that is Jammu Kashmir and Kashmir University. Now he is working with great university. So utilize each and every resource person in a productive way. Okay, it's my request. I am also a student, you are also a student, it's my humble request. Okay, utilize each and every resource. Optimum utilization of resources is very, very important. That is the best quality of the each and every student also to grow in the career. Please put it to the balance. Thank you so much, K.B.N, group of institutions and management and rest of the faculty for your cooperation. Thank you so much.
Thank you for your valuable suggestions, Mahesh garu. So you stay back here up to 12:50. Okay, your madams will assist you. Right? Thank you.
స్టాఫ్స్ మొబైల్ సరిపోతుందా